Alright, given 2x cubed minus 2x squared minus 32x plus 32. Okay, question 1 asks how to find intercept of y and x. Okay, for intercept y, where x is 0, we substitute this 0 into fx. Alright, and then we get 32. The interval is 0, 32. For intercept x, where y is 0, so we substitute 0 into fx, and then we get x equal to 4, x equals to negative 4, and x equals to 1. So the interval is negative 4, 0, 1, 0, 4, 0. Okay, question 2 asks how to find critical path. Alright, we must differentiate this equation, and then we get 6x squared minus 4x minus 32. Alright, and then f prime must be 0. Alright, and then we can get the value of x. Alright, after we get this value, we must do table of test value. Alright, and then from this interval, we can get 3, the test value of this interval. Alright, and then we must from the test value, we put into this equation. Alright, and then we can get if negative 3 put into negative x into x, and we get negative, and then a negative 3 put into this x, and then we can get it's negative. So when negative negative, we got positive. Alright, and then the second interval, we take negative 2. The interval is negative 2 and 8/3, and then the test value is we put 0, and then 0 we put into x, into this equation, and then we got negative, and then we put 0 into this equation, we got positive, and then 0 and negative with positive, we got negative. Alright, and then for this interval, 8/3 into infinity, the test value we put is 3, and then we put we exchange to this equation, then we get positive, and then we put into this equation, we got positive. Alright, when positive we got positive. Alright, so the conclusion is fx is increasing for interval x is smaller than negative 2 and x greater than x 8/3. Alright, the second conclusion is fx is decreasing for interval negative 2 is less than x and less than for x 8/3. Alright, question 3 asks how to find critical paths, the local minima and maxima. Alright, first step, we must take this interval to find the local minima and maxima. Alright, negative 2 we got from x, we got. Alright, and then we put negative 2 into fx, and then we got 72. Alright, okay, and then we take this value, 8/3 is come from here. Alright, okay, and then we substitute into fx. Alright, and then we get a negative 800/27. Alright, this is negative, this is positive. Okay, from now we know this is the maximum point and this is the minimum point. Okay, question 4 asks how to find inflection point. Alright, if we want to find inflection point, we must differentiate 2 times. Alright, uh, this is the answer for differentiate 2 times, 12x minus 4, and then f prime prime x must equals to 0. Alright, and then we got 1 over 3. This is for inflection point for x. Alright, this is for y, inflection point for y. We take 1 over 3, we substitute 1 over 3 into x, and then we got 572 over 27. Alright, the inflection point is 1 over 3, 572 over 27.